Doris's mobile. Cold start for the boys. Get on, Ray, what are you up to? Right guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got Ray sat next to me here. Bit fat, we need to get him some weight loss, so we're going to go to the tyre shop now, get some smaller tyres for that, because they don't fit on the front basically. If you've been following along, you'll know that. And then get up the garage, test fit them with smaller tyres on. Hopefully that works out, and get the engine in today. Big day today, let's get up there and get it done. What's up, Winston? Winston and Hugo, look. Winston! Muppets. Hey, puppies! Hey, puppies! What are you doing there? Yeah, you tell them. Hey, hey, hey. There he is, boys. He's in there. Just need to squeeze underneath now to get this gearbox mount on so it levels it out. But yeah, got me bolts. Stick that on. And I think I'm going to put it on and then take it off and clean it up. Let's do it. Oh, that's a nice sight. Look, engine in the car finally after all these years. Big brake kit on, HSD coilovers, big fat wheels on the back. We still got to stick the front ones on with the new tyres on, but yeah, we're doing alright. Engine and gearbox in, should I say. Look at that. But yeah, lots more to do, let's get cracking. No point in looking at this all day. Okay guys, these are new tyres. 255s went down instead of 275, 35 19s. Much better fit for the fronts anyway. As you can see, we're clearing the top wishbone, that you want to call it there. Upper control arm, whatnot. Yeah, there's plenty of room now, before it was scraping there. And the big brakes are looking handsome, and those wheels on, and the wheel spins, which is always a plus. But yeah, that's the wheels fitted. Game changer, I think. They look massive still, but we'll make it work with the front fenders. But yeah, I'm happy. Obviously the backs look a lot meatier, but that's where all the traction is needed. Engine's in. Woohoo! Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a job really, putting the engine in and out of this thing. Okay, next we have got these boomerangs to fit. They just sort of help hold on the rear subframe. I've not put them on yet because I needed to paint them up. And we've also got the rear drop links that's got to go on. We've got poly bushes for them. Okay guys, first things first is we need to clean this anti-roll bar out because I ain't putting that back on the car and it's all nice and shiny. Tools, wire wheel, smash it on there. Black hammerite, director rust stuff, job done. I've also got drop links. I'll show you, hey, I'll show you. Race car. I've also bought a new rear drop link kit. Super Pro. Looks like fun, all these little bits, but yeah, they replace these old ones with like broken bushes and all that. I've got to get these out yet, which will be fun. And there's the other, it's more on this one. Yeah, I've got to get these off. Wiring that on. Let's do it. Okay guys, we've got some more crusty bits to polish up, wire wheeling. That's all I seem to do with this car, but yeah. Got to clean all this up, disassemble it obviously, disassemble it even. Clean it all up, paint it black, same as all the other stuff we've been doing. That's the old clutch slave, which needs a good scrub as well. But yeah, plenty to do, let's get it done. Shutting. Collies. Anti-roll cleaned up. New poly bushes drop links. What else have we done? Cleaned up the old clutch thingamabobber. Master. Turbo intake bit. Rest of the master. There we go guys, another good bit of work done today I must say. But yeah, the wheels are all fitted now. Fit perfectly with those new tyres, spot on. What else we done? Rear anti-roll bars on there with the poly bush rear drop links. And the engine's in, most importantly. Obviously it's a long way up from starting, but I'll get all the radiator in next time. I'll get all the brake booster. Obviously we've been cleaning the brake booster up and all that stuff. The clutch slave and all that. We'll get all that in next time. And maybe a couple videos time, we'll be starting the car up. But yeah, like and subscribe to the channel guys. Loads to do, we'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look